Welcome. If you're tired of your phone buzzing every time you get a photo of you notification on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to disable vibration for just those notifications, so you can stay connected without the constant interruptions. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. This is where you control all your app preferences and notification behaviors. Next, scroll down until you find the Apps section. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Locate Instagram from the list and tap to open its settings. Inside Instagram's app settings, look for the notifications option. This is where you can fine-tune exactly how Instagram alerts you. Now, tap on Notification Categories. Here, Instagram breaks down notifications into different types, so you can control each one separately. Scroll until you find the Photo of You option. This is the specific notification for when someone tags you in a photo or mentions you in a post. Tap on Photo of You to open its individual settings. Here you'll see several options, including one labeled Vibrate. To stop your phone from vibrating every time you get tagged, simply toggle off the Vibrate switch. That's it. From now on, you'll still receive Photo of You notifications, but your phone will stay silent and still. This adjustment helps you manage your notifications without missing out on important updates, and you can always come back to these settings if you want to make further changes. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips for customizing your Instagram experience. Enjoy a quieter, more peaceful notification life.